In this video, we will analyze the market based on the price action, and I will tell you about the possible signals on gold and the rest of the currency pairs. So let's get started with gold. Okay, so guys, this is the 1 hour picture of the gold right now, and you can see that we have received the downward trend from the top. And it looks like that in the first attempt that it looks like that the market is going into the downward direction. So we should go with the sell positions, right? So this is the first scenario that we are looking at the market right now. But guys, to be honest, by looking at the chart, this is kind of a little bit deception. This is not the downward trend, so I'm hoping that the market will again flew back into the upward direction. So just note down these levels. 1840 could be the best level, and 1820 can be the levels for the gold again to pump into the upward direction. So you just need to keep an eye on these both levels, 1850, 40 something, and 1820 is definitely this could be the it can get the power of the upward trend from these levels, right? So overall, if you ask about me, that I'm bullish on gold still right now. Okay. So this is the Great Britain Pound CAD. If you ask me about the, as per the price action, what do you think about Great Britain Pound CAD? Then guys, this would be my opinion. So just give me a second. So guys, I'm looking that the market can go and touch the 1.71400 levels. This could be the targeted levels that the market can follow. So I'm bearish on Great Britain Pound CAD. Okay, CHF JPY looks good, but this is kind of a slow pair, so let's not throw our light on this pair. Okay, so USD JPY looks very good. I mean, it can continue its upward pressure and again retest the 116 level. So overall, I'm bullish on USD JPY. So let's talk about USD CHF. So looks like that USD CHF is into the ranging pattern. You can see a very clear ranging pattern here. So better not to discuss here on USD CHF. Okay, so this is AUDCHF. So AUDCHF somehow looks good, but it's making the downward pressure. So if you ask me, then I will say that you can say that I'm overall bearish, but not heavily bearish on AUDUSD. So you can say that for the temporary period, it can go into the downward direction. AUD CAD. So AUD CAD is still, I mean, it's just following the same pattern. I mean, if you ask me, then I will say that temporarily it can go down and then it can pump up again, but we will give the another analysis later on. Okay. So AUD USD, if you ask me about the AUD USD, so guys, the AUD is looking towards the weakened side and temporarily bearish, not heavily bearish. So just note down, I mean, I personally, if you ask me to take the buy positions on AUD USD, I would not prefer this thing. Okay. So USD CAD, so guys, it looks like that the USD CAD is making a kind of pattern where it can flow into the downward direction. So I will stay bearish on USD CAD as well, and it can go up to 1.26200. So this could be the latest prediction. Okay. So Nzd Usd, so guys, it's also flowing into the downward direction, changing the momentum. It was previously into the uptrend, but looks like the trend is going into the downward direction. So just note down this level. This is 0.65900. If it is able to break that level, then it can go further down and then it can retest 0.65285. So guys, overall, I'm bearish on Nzd Usd. Okay, Euro AUD. Okay, so when we talk about Euro AUD, still it's into the downward trend, but it looks like that the downward trend can change its pattern from this area somewhere. I'm giving you the key point levels here, 1.58000. So this could be the level where market can bounce into the further upward direction. So for the short time it can go down, but later on I'm not expecting the market to go further into the downward direction. Okay, so Euro CHF. Okay, so if we look at Euro CHF, so guys, to be honest, looks to me temporarily bullish, not heavily bullish. So temporarily bullish, I mean, not a very good pair to trade, but overall looks to me temporarily bullish, not heavily. Okay. Great Britain Pound CHF, let's not discuss because it's completely into the ranging pattern. Great Britain Pound NZD. Okay, so guys, it looks like that the market is just little bit up, and now we can assume that the market can flow into the downward direction from these levels. Okay, Bitcoin USD. So guys, Bitcoin USD still have a potential to go into the further upward direction. So I will stay bullish on Bitcoin USD. It can go to 45,750 levels. These are the levels where I'm expecting the market can go into the further upward trend. Okay, Great Britain Pound JPY. So guys, as per my analysis, it has made some kind of head and shoulder patterns, but overall this is kind of a ranging pattern where I'm not able to predict it very easily. So let's leave it, guys, for that time. If you talk about AUD Jpy, then guys, just note down my prediction because I'm looking the things to be bearish on AUD pairs. So you can see that I have again highlighted you with the downward trend on AUD Jpy 1 hour chart. Okay, Euro USD. So guys, if you ask me about Euro USD, then it looks somehow to be little bit bullish, not heavily bullish, but little bit bullish we can expect. Okay guys, one more thing that you should not forget, because you know that there's a conflict between Ukraine and Russia at the moment, so anything can happen into the market. So you need to take care and you need to set up the stop losses while doing trades, because if things go towards the war side, then guys, we can expect anything into the market. The market can crash, the market can move into the certain pairs can move up, certain pairs can move into the downward direction. So be careful. Trading without a stop loss will not be a good strategy at the moment. If you ask me about Great Britain Pound AUD, then guys, looks very hopeful that it can test the 1.88000 levels. So I'm bearish on Great Britain Pound AUD, Great Britain Pound USD. The same thing, guys, looking towards the bearish pattern again. So looks like that it can go inside the 1.34572 somewhere here. Nzd Jpy. If we ask about this pair, then guys, this is kind of a bearish pattern to me, and overall I'm looking the things to be bearish again. So just keep this thing in your mind that you should use the proper stop losses. If you are following the signals that I'm giving on YouTube, then you should use the proper stop losses as per, and you can consult the indicators. If you have you have the 200 Forex Pips indicator, then you can consult it as well. Okay guys, if we ask about Eurocad, it's not easy to predict Eurocad at this stage, so let's leave it at the moment. Okay, so Euro JPY looks to me a very bullish, good bullish pattern. It has a very good space to go into the upward direction as per my opinion. So I'm bullish on Euro JPY. Euro Great Britain Pound, yes, definitely it looks like a very good pattern to flow into the upward direction. So bullish on Euro Great Britain Pound, and at last Euro NZD. Definitely it looks a very good pair that can strong into the upward side. So guys, this is all about the analysis that I have given based on the price action. So I also provide 1 hour price action coaching, and to be honest, after 1 hour you will be very good with forex trading, and you will be trading without any indicators, without any expert advisors, and you will master the skill of price action trading. Moreover, guys, you know that we also have the 200 Forex Pips Masterpiece Indicator, Smart Buy and Sell Indicator. And guys, you can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. Those who want to book their price action 1 hour coaching session, I will not waste your time, because it's just about 1 hour. If you have time to build your trading career just in 1 hour, then go for the price action coaching. That's at the top. So you can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. You can also contact on email, you can also contact on Telegram, WhatsApp. All of the links are given in the description of this video below. So guys, if you like the signals, please press the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.